How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another show here on the West Coast. And this is gonna be a quick video about the inside of the house because I get a lot of messages asking me how's the process of the house, how's the kitchen, how things are going, how's Olvida's decorations are going. So this is one of those videos to show you guys an update on the house, the kitchen mainly, because that's what's taking the longest here. Actually, we're working on breakfast right now, and there's the Olvida, the decorator. All right, so check it out. Look at that. We got a pantry, and look, I mean, this is not complete. I mean, we're still missing the crown molding up there. We're missing the backsplash, and we're missing the countertop. What I did was I used the old countertop and placed it on the new cabinets. Like that, we could actually, you know, use the kitchen. Oh, also missing right there the microwave. That goes right there. But look at that. Look at that. I decided.
At least it's functional.
At least it's what?
Functional.
Functional, yes, we could use it because if you guys remember the other videos, we had actual fold-up tables there. But now look at this. We got a half a kitchen.
Look.
Check it out. Look at that.
Yeah, look.
Oh, look.
We still need the handles, but.
Yeah, oh yeah, another thing we're missing is the handles. We're missing the countertop, backsplash, and handles. Check it out. She got a spice rack right there. Look at that.
And then I have my pantry.
Oh, the pantry. Yeah, she actually put stuff in the pantry. Right there. Look at that. That we didn't have that before. Check it out. And then she decided to, instead of having doors.
I'm putting the little.
Yeah, the little blue things. Yeah, she decided instead of having doors, she wanted drawers. She says for her it's more functional.
Yeah.
So we got one side drawers. And here we're making a little coffee station / bar. That you know I don't drink, but I like to have it anyway.
No, that's my coffee station.
Your coffee station? No, it's gonna be / coffee station bar.
No.
Yes.
Nobody drinks anyway.
So check this out, look. How cool is this? This is the old countertop that actually fit on there perfect. There's the other piece. This one ran a little short. If not, I would have had a whole, I would have used the whole old countertop. And look at that. But she wants another color, so you know how that goes. Oh yeah, and by the way, she has a bathing suit on because we're going on the boat. Before we jump on the boat, decided to make a quick video on the kitchen. We did it. I actually bought the kitchen at a place in Miami that you build it yourself, and I did it and I put it together. And I mean, the first few cabinets was a little hard because I don't know what I was doing, but after that, I did it with no problem and I installed it with no problem. Look at that, and everything came out leveled. Woo! I'm feeling proud right now.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool, huh? So there it is. If you guys see my videos, initially we bought the house. You guys noticed that the kitchen was completely different. The Florida room was different. So everything has been changed. And another question that we're getting, people ask me, where's Olvida doing with all the shelves? Oh, what is she doing with them? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what she done some of the things. Okay, you see that right there, that lamp? She actually is hollow, is glass, but it's hollow. So she actually took it apart and stuck some shells in there. That's one part of the shells. And she made that one there. And then she made that one there. So that's part of the shells.
Look, I put some on the little.
And that one her sister made a while back. But that's where some of the shells are going. And then she has other projects in mind that's why she always picking up shells. So we're gonna get a quick breakfast before heading out on the boat. But like I said, I decided to make a quick video on the kitchen. Yay! Happy?
Show the lanai?
Oh, you know what? Yeah, another thing. Getting a lot of questions on the lanai. That we did that. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys something that's really cool about this lanai. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that. This is super cool. Look at that. We can open all 3 glass doors and we walk right in. And check it out. I'm trying this out. I put a portable AC there because the lanai doesn't have AC. So, you know, I'm trying the portable AC there and check it out. So we're gonna have our breakfast here. So yep, this is the best part I like about the lanai. You can actually open this whole section up and then between the AC of the house and the portable AC, now we have cold AC in the lanai. And a lot of people also asked about the furniture. We got it online. Now, what store? I'm gonna have to look at the receipt because we buy a lot of things online. I just have to look at the receipt and figure out where we bought it. But yeah, I mean, all of them rock. Well, even the single chairs and you know me, because I gotta sit back here and enjoy the afternoon sunset right here. And this is the view from the lanai. Check it out. There you go. Loving it. And look at that. And right there, that's the view from the lanai. So we're gonna have breakfast back here. And another cool thing is we have another glass door there. So we have a real big opening there, and then we have another one here. So this, I don't know, this to me is the best part. And I love all this sunlight coming in. Look at that. It's just glass everywhere. Loving it. The only bad part is, I ain't gonna lie, in the afternoon, in the sun, when it's setting over there, it gets pretty hot, so I had to put on some blinds. So what we do is in the afternoon, we put the blinds down because it is hot. But check it out. Check it out. Look at it. Loving it. Loving it back here. And look at that. It's pretty cool. You just walk into the house. It's like, yo, look. I was just in there. Now I'm right here. Check it out. Loving it. And another question I get is, where did Olvida's sister buy that? I do not know where did she get that from?
No, that Marilyn made those.
No. Where did she get the actual cloth with the turtles on it?
She had it. Somebody threw it away or something.
I don't know. Somebody gave it to her and she cut it up and framed it and it came out super cool. So I don't know where she got it from.
This doesn't go here. I have to fix it.
So check it out.
Oh, and my thing? You showed that one already?
Yeah, I showed that one before. Yeah, her wood pieces that she picks up from the islands. So, and then I think she's gonna put new. No, the garbage can doesn't belong there. We just have it there for now. She's gonna put new pictures there. So check it out. This is a quick video, quick update of the house. Deco, beachy style. So look at that. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Look at that. Oh, and also two people asked me where did we get this from? There was a boat show. There was a boat show here at Fort Myers, and there was a guy selling those pieces there, and then we bought two of them, and then we bought that there. And this is pretty cool. I told the guy, hey, do you watch my videos? Because this is exactly what I say. It's funny, so I had to buy it. Look at that. It's pretty cool, right? Loving it right there. So yeah. So we're gonna catch some breakfast before we go on the hopper. And I don't know where we're going today. I'm just gonna jump in the water and go. Wherever we go, we go. I don't know. One of those days. Oh, here we go. Here we go. More deco from the sea. More little shows. And then this like a sea fan that was floating around. She got it. And then she put it all together. There you go. For those people that ask and wonder, what does she do with all the shells and decorations? So look at that. Starting to look like a house, right?
My coffee station.
Now we gotta put the backsplash, the handles, the kick toe kick, and then the crown molding up there. And then, yeah, the handles, I think, and the microwave, and that's it. Should be done. Should be done. That means I'm gonna love coming to the West Coast even more, because that means no work. Because I say that's all I have to do is the kitchen. I'm done. I'm done. Finito. No more work. Just fun. Now it's have fun, have work. So, you know, but you gotta do it, right? One more look, guys. One more look. I just love it. I mean, liking it. Oh, the IC is pretty strong too. Wow. I can feel it over here. So check it out. It's pretty cool. Well, you know what I'm missing back here? Maybe a TV. I might put a TV, a little TV, maybe in one of these corners, so I could sit back here and watch TV or something. I don't know. Love it. And thank you guys for asking, being so curious. I don't mind showing. little quick video, an update on the situation, on the progress of the house, and to answer a few questions that people leave me on the comments. So that's what it is. If you have any more questions, I guess leave it on the comments and I'll answer them again next time. Right? Ready to go? With the choke and agua. A lot of people ask, what does it mean when I say ready for the show, agua? Because I have a lot of American people that don't understand Spanish. And what that means, let's go to the water. Vamos para agua means let's go to the water. Because a few people that I've met in person, they ask me, hey, what does that mean that you say it most of the time? And what it is vamos para agua means let's go in the water. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed a quick video and update on the house, but don't go away. Stay tuned for the upcoming video because we headed over on the boat to Fort Myers Beach. You want to go exploring?
Yeah.
And we got down and walked around the beach, and there were a lot of people having fun in the sun. And after that, we headed over to a restaurant on the water and caught lunch. But you're gonna have to watch the video, find out where we went.